everybody, here's my latest commission this time. It's the first of a triptych, first of three, and they're all the same size, and it shows Broadstairs in a sort of fantasy seascape, morning, noon and night. This one's morning. You can see the Broadstairs pole behind me. Here it is again in the mosaic. And for humorous effect, I put a cormorant on it, drying his wings, because they don't have the natural oils of, say, a guillemot to just dive straight away. So they stand with their wings spread like this, drying themselves. So we've got that. We've got an octopus, bottom left, and we've got a cuttlefish. So it's all happening at the break of day. And that is reflected in the accompanying verse, which goes like this. The first panel is dawn, the beginning of day. Octopus is lurking, waiting for prey. On the Viking Bay pole, cormorant dries his wings, while cuttlefish changes colour from the seabed he sings.